The kitchen is often the heart of a home, so let's learn how to keep your kitchen safe for you and your family. Here's 7 tips to help avoid hazards in your kitchen. First, if you've got little ones at home, use a safety gate to create a kid-free zone of at least 3 feet around your oven and stove. Second, keep anything that may catch fire, like dish towels or oven mitts, away from your cooktop. Next, you shouldn't ever leave the kitchen while your food is cooking. And when removing a lid from a hot pan, tilt it away from you to protect your face and hands from steam. Now, if a grease fire starts, never use water. It'll only make it worse. Instead, quickly put a lid on the pot or pan. And it's important to note, you should always have a fire extinguisher nearby. That'll come in handy in this situation and many others, just like a smoke detector. As tempting as it may be to shut it off or remove its batteries, you shouldn't tamper with yours when cooking. After you're done in the kitchen, make sure to unplug any countertop appliances that you're not using, because they can cause a fire. And those are just 7 ways to protect your kitchen. For more helpful tips and resources, visit allstate.com.